Welcome back to my channel, gentle people. In today's video, we are going to be making a fortified shampoo for fast and healthy hair growth. We'll be using all natural products. So you'll need a banana, African black soap, aloe vera, honey, moringa oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. You'll also be needing glass jars. So we're going to be using the banana peel. So we're going to put it into a glass jar and we're going to add water, just enough to cover it. Now we're going to take a spoonful of African black soap and we're going to put it into the jar and we're going to add just enough water to cover that as well. So I chose African black soap as my base because it contains all natural ingredients. It has so many benefits as well. It maintains a healthy scalp, reduces dandruff, promotes hair growth, it nourishes the hair follicles, it softens and moisturizes the hair, and reduces hair loss. Now I'm going to be extracting the aloe vera gel from the plant. If you want to see how this is done, you can check out any one of my previous videos on where I use the gel to style natural hair. And I'm using aloe vera gel because it promotes hair growth, it fights dandruff, repairs damaged hair, strengthens the hair, soothes the scalp, and reduces hair loss. I did leave the banana peel to soak in water overnight because I'll be using the water from this mixture, and this is what the African black soap looks like after it's been left overnight in water, and this is what my aloe vera gel looks like after the extraction process. Now that all our ingredients are infused and ready for use, we are going to make the shampoo. So we're first going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to our aloe vera gel. We're adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to the mixture, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a teaspoon of moringa oil. If you want to see how this oil was made, you can check out my DIY Moringa Infused Oil video, which will be linked in the description. We're going to add a cup of banana infused water into the mixture, and as we all know, bananas are rich in potassium, which softens the hair and promotes healthy hair growth. Now we're going to add our mixture into the dissolved African black soap water and we're going to mix it well. I've transferred the mixture into my applicator bottle, and this is what my DIY fortified shampoo looks like. Hi guys, so here I am about to demonstrate how I apply my DIY fortified shampoo to my hair and scalp. So as y'all know, I've used all natural ingredients for my shampoo, and they all share many benefits. And the benefits include promoting hair growth, fighting dandruff, strengthening the hair, repairing damaged hair, moisturizing the hair and scalp, and most ingredients also adds shine. So I'm going to start with the front sections of my hair, and I'm just trying to get a good lather. And then I'm going to work the shampoo into the hair, going all the way to my ends. And then I'm going to move to the back section doing the same. All right, so I've shampooed my hair twice and I've added conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.